Today we are back with another unboxing. This is one that I'm really excited about. It's a brand that I've seen plenty of times at watch shows. Never got the chance to have one in. The owner, John, sent me an email, asked me if I wanted to see the products now that they're back on pre-order. Yes, you can now get one of these pre-ordered. They were previously sold out, so make sure you get your interest in quick. Okay. This is from Ember. They are a British watch company, a Microbrand, and honestly, this watch is stunning in so many different ways. This is their Rocket series. Do keep in mind throughout this unboxing, this is a press sample, so it's not going to be absolutely perfect. It's not box fresh, but I'm sure it'll be in decent condition. So we have an FKM rubber strap here that comes with it. You do also get a suede strap included when you buy one. Now, obviously, this is a watch that is very hard to walk past when you go to a watch show, and you can see exactly why. There's so many elements that work very well together. Obviously, we have that very bright dial, but the sandblasted or bead blasted casing, and then the high polish of that bezel, which really does break it up and separates the dial itself from the case, giving it space to work. There's also really nice features to that dial. Let me get a closer look for you. So Ember are utilising a sandwich dial system in this one. First of all, how great are the angles on that case? It's very futuristic in styling throughout the entire piece, and those angles definitely work towards that. Bracelet articulates nicely too. These are going to be £399 on pre-order. Definitely get your hands on one if you're interested, because they do sell out and you never know when they're going to be back in stock. It does look like it has presence to it, but it is a 40mm piece that is matched up with a 47mm lug-to-lug distance. And again, it looks thicker than it actually is. This one is 12mm thick. We're running a Seiko movement in this one. It is the NH38A. I'm grateful that they have used the no date version, because obviously we don't want a ghost date position on this watch. Let me set the time, because I'm actually going to give this one a decent little run in before I get the review done. As I say, I have seen them plenty, and they're always a brand that I've wanted to work with. It's just like my timing, my schedule didn't line up. I forgot to email them, things like that. It's definitely on my part here, but I'm glad that I've finally got one in. It is packing a sapphire crystal and 100 meters of water resistance. I love the effect that we go from a really bright dial to this like very subdued bead blasted case. I think this one's going to wear really nicely on my wrist, so I'll get this on for you now and give it a look. And as I imagined, fits beautifully. That slightly shorter lug-to-lug distance with the 47mm does a lot for this, as well as the fact 40mm it's pretty universal for anyone. I will tease you into coming to the main channel for the full review to see this lume shot. It is incredibly impressive, and that's because they are using a layered dial system. Now, I know that not everyone is a big fan of pink watches. I think I just really like the bright colours and the way that this pops on your wrist. But if you don't like the pink, there are others available. But for me, this would be the one that I picked out of the bunch every single time. I'll get this on the rubber band and we can have a look at that before we end today. And there we have it on the rubber band. It's actually a really comfortable rubber band. I have noticed though, there's no signature on the clasp. I'm pretty sure in the actual production pieces, it comes with a bead blasted clasp. So maybe this is just what he sent out for reviews to give an example. But I'm pretty sure on the specifications, it does say bead blasted clasp. So maybe ignore that a little bit. But it does feel really good quality. This is £399 on pre-order. I believe the delivery should be November. I have linked the website in the description for you. I think they're just absolute fantastic watches for that type of price.